Okay, so I've got my test kit here, and I've got a cup of water that's ready. And like we talked about, we're going to do a test tile over in the corner in an inconspicuous area, not in the center of the floor. I choose this one right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little kit that I got here, and I'm going to pour some of the Johnny Grip out, just enough to treat the tile. And I'm going to take my sponge, I'm going to spread it around the entire tile. I'm only doing one tile, and I'm stopping right here at the grout lines. Okay, now what I'll do is dip my sponge in the water here. And we will go ahead, we got our towel ready. I'm going to wait, and I'm going to sit here and see how much traction we want to have. I've noted my time. Right now I'm right at about 30 seconds. I've got the clock right here on the wall behind me. This is a very soft tile here. As you can see, it's a red tile. This is the Mexican restaurant. And right around, I'm going to guess about 2 minutes on this tile here. What we're doing is I keep checking it. Every 20-30 seconds or so, I keep testing it until I reach the amount of traction that I'd like to have. And notice that I've got my fingers in it. It won't hurt your fingers, but it's a good idea to rinse them off as soon as you're done. Okay, it's really got a lot of traction now. So what I'll do is, now that I've noted my desired time, looking right at the clock here, and I've got right about 2 minutes like we talked about. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rinse this off to neutralize it, make it stop working. Okay. Alright. Yes. That's exactly what we want. Big difference. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down. Dry it all off. And I note the appearance, and I look for, one, what did it do to the grout lines? Nothing at all, which is normal. And I look at the difference between these two tiles. One is treated and one is not. And there is no difference at all, so now it's okay to go ahead and start with treating the entire floor. Okay, you can tell the floor is still slippery. So what we're going to do is treat this real quick so you can see it. I'm just going to treat a small section here. We've noted our time. We said that it was around 2 minutes. And what I do is I go just to the edge of the tile. Now sometimes what will happen is the grease will be in the grout lines and it will push the Johnny Grip away. So what you need to do is just keep the floor agitated. Just keep going over it every now and then. And I'm looking right here at our time. So far we've got about 30 seconds or so. Okay. We're just waiting for it to make its traction happen. Okay, now what I'm going to do is grab this bucket of water here, and we're going to rinse it off and we can see what it did. lots of water, so you can see. All right, now we'll go ahead and slide across it and see if we can tell the difference where I stop. We'll do that one more time. It's definitely got some traction to it, you can tell. Woo! Okay, you can definitely tell that it's got traction here, and we slide and then stop when we hit it.